All right, first things first. Open up your web browser and head over to the URL you see on the screen. That's mysignins.microsoft.com/securityinfo. Once you get there, just sign in like you normally would with your standard IUM, @live email, and password. This is Microsoft's official safe place for managing all your security settings. And boom, just like that, once you're logged in, Microsoft takes over. You should immediately see a prompt asking you to begin the MFA registration. When you see that, you'll know you're in exactly the right place. Now it's time for your first big decision. See, Microsoft gives you a few different ways to prove it's you for that second factor. You've got options, so let's break them down. As you can see, you've got three main choices here. You can use an authenticator app, your official IIMUM email, or you can even use your phone to get a text or a call. Now, they all add a layer of security, which is great, but the table makes it pretty clear that one of these is really the top choice for both how strong it is and how easy it is to use. And yeah, to put it simply, the Authenticator app is the way to go. It just provides the best experience all around. It's the most secure method, for sure, but it's also the most convenient. It uses things like push notifications or these little time-sensitive codes right from an app on your phone. So with that in mind, let's walk through setting up the one we recommend, the Authenticator app. If you don't have one on your phone already, no worries. Just pause here, search for Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator in your phone's app store, and download it. It's free. Okay, this part is a breeze. First, grab your phone and open up that Authenticator app you just downloaded. Tap the little plus sign to add a new account. Now, at the same time, look at your computer screen. You're going to choose the option to set up an Authenticator app, and a QR code will pop up. Just point your phone's camera at it, and it'll scan automatically. The very second you scan that code, the app magically links to your account. Then it'll start generating a brand new 6-digit code every 30 seconds or so. Yup, it's going to look something just like this, just a simple set of 6 numbers. The fact that it keeps changing is what makes this whole thing so incredibly secure. All right, last step, I promise. All you have to do is type the current 6-digit code from your phone's app into the verification box on your computer screen. Hit next, and that is it. Your account is now officially linked. You did it. So,